Hello students, welcome to Mint Maths classes. This is the revision series for JEE Mains and today's topic is indefinite integrals. So let us start with some important questions on this topic. Your first question is, if 1 upon cube root of sin raised to power 11x into cos x dx is equals to minus of a into b plus c tan square x upon d tan square x into 10x raised to power 2 by 3 plus k. Then you are supposed to find the value of a plus b plus c plus d. Now, to solve this integral, let us consider left hand side, and your left hand side is integral 1 upon cube root of sin raised to power 11x into cos x dx. Okay, and this is equals to, we can write cube root को आप पावर में 1 upon 3 लिख सकते हैं. So sin raised to power 11 by 3x into cos raised to power 1 by 3x, ऐसा आप लिख सकते हैं. Now आप क्या करेंगे? Now to integrate this function, we are going to change sin into tan. So for this purpose, we are going to multiply and divide by cos raised to power 11 by 3x in denominator. तो जब आप डिवाइड करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर को, तो tan sin will convert into tan. Okay, and जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो cos रेज़ पर 1 by 3x इंटू आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे cos रेज़ पर 11 by 3x से, और डिवाइड भी करेंगे cos रेज़ पर 11 by 3x से. तो दिस विल बिकम tan एंड दिस विल बिकम, नाउ पावर्स विल बी एडेड, 12 by 3 is 4. So cos रेज़ पर 4x dx, and cos रेज़ पर 4x can be written as sec square x, sec raised to power 4x in numerator. So your question will become this. Now to integrate this question, हम क्या करते हैं, sec square x को आप अलग से लिख लो. Okay, and this is tan raised to power 11 by 3x. Now this sec square x can be converted in, can be written as 1 plus tan square x. Okay, and in the denominator you have tan raised to power 11 by 3x into sec square x dx. Now we can substitute tan x as t, tan x as t. So sec square x, by differentiating, sec square x dx can be replaced by dt. So your left hand side will become, 1 plus t square upon t raised to power 11 by 3 into dt. This will become 1 plus t square upon t raised to power 11 by 3 into dt. Okay, and to integrate this, आप अपने डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर में अगर आप डिवाइड करेंगे, इट विल गिव यू 1 अपॉन टी रेज़ टू पावर 11 by 3 प्लस टी स्क्वायर अपॉन टी रेज़ टू पावर 11 by 3 dt, and this will give you t raised to power minus 11 by 3 dt plus t raised to power 2 minus 11 by 3 will give you minus 5 by 3 dt. Okay, and integral of this is t raised to power minus 11 by 3 plus 1 upon minus 11 by 3 plus 1, and integral of t raised to power minus 5 by 3 is t raised to power minus 5 by 3 plus 1 upon minus 5 by 3 plus 1 plus c, or we can take this as k, because we need to have constant term as k, and this will give you minus 11 by 3 plus 1 is minus 8 by 3. So minus 3 by 8 into t raised to power minus 8 by 3. Similarly, minus 5 by 3 plus 1 will give you minus 2 by 3. So minus 3 by 2 into t raised to power minus 2 by 3 plus k. Now replace t. If we replace t, we can take 3 upon 8 common and it will give you 1 upon t raised to power 8 by 3 plus 4 upon t raised to power 2 by 3 plus k. Okay, and now we can also take LCM of this, minus 3 by 8, and this will give you t raised to power 2 by 3 common, t raised to power 2, t raised to power 8 by 3 can be written as t raised to power 2 by 3 into t square. Okay, so t raised to power 2 by 3 into t square will be your LCM, and this will give you 1 plus 4 t square. Okay, plus k. Now replace your t, and t will be was 10x. So 10 square x upon 10 raised to power 2 by 3x into 10 square x plus k. Now your left hand side is equals to this. Now comparing it with right hand side. Comparing with right hand side, अगर राइट हैंड साइड से आप कंपेयर करते हैं तो माइनस a इंटू बी प्लस सी टेन स्क्वायर एक्स. सो माइनस a विल बी 3, b विल बी 1, c विल बी 4. ओके, and in the denominator you have d into 10 square x into 10x raised to power 2 by 3. So your d will be 8. Okay, and now we are supposed to find out the value of a plus b plus c plus d, and that is equals to 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 8, and that is 16. So your option 2 is correct. Your next question is, if integral of 1 plus 10x into 10x plus a dx is equals to cot a into ln of modulus of fx plus c, then you are supposed to find out the value of fx. Now consider left hand side. Your left hand side is integral 1 plus 10x into 10 of x plus a dx. अब आपको अपने जो इंटीग्रैंड है उसे देखकर यू कैन इमेजिन कि इसकी वैल्यू कैसे आ सकती है. सपोज कंसीडर 10a. कंसीडर 10a. नाउ 10a कैन बी रिटन एज 10 ऑफ a में अगर आप x ऐड कर दें और x सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें, इट वॉन्ट अफेक्ट एनीथिंग. Now you can write it down as 10 of x plus a minus x. Okay, and tan of a minus b is tan of a minus tan of b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay, so tan a is this, and the denominator of right hand side is similar to your integrand. So if you interchange 1 plus tan x into tan of x plus a can be replaced by tan x plus a minus tan x upon tan a. Okay, so using this formula which we have derived, we can change our integrand with tan of x plus a minus tan x upon tan a. Okay, dx. Now tan a can be taken outside and 1 upon tan a is cot a. Now integral of tan x plus a minus tan x with respect to x. Now integral of tan x plus a is linear in x, so tan x is log sec x, and in turn the derivative of x plus a is 1 and integral of tan x is log sec x. Okay, plus c. Now log of m minus log of n can be written as log of sec x plus a upon sec x plus c. Okay, now if you compare this with right hand side, this can be written as cot a into ln. This is natural log with base c, so it can be written as ln sec plus a upon sec x plus c. If you compare it with right hand side, so your fx will be, that implies your fx will be sec x plus a upon sec x. So your correct option is option 1. Your next question is the value of integral x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 into root of x is to the power 4 plus 1 dx is 1 upon root 2 sec inverse of fx plus c. So we have to find out our fx. So now to solve the integral, in the left hand side your integral is x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 into square root of x is to the power 4 plus 1 dx, and this will give you, अब आप इस वाले इंटीग्रल को कैसे इंटीग्रेट करेंगे? You can do one thing, take x square common in the numerator, it will give you 1 minus 1 upon x square, and this is the derivative of x plus 1 upon x. तो आप अपना नीचे वाला जो भी फंक्शन है उसको उसमें चेंज करने की कोशिश करो. x square plus 1 में से if you can take x common, it will give you x plus 1 upon x, और स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर एक्स इज पर 4 प्लस 1 में से एक्स स्क्वायर अगर आप कॉमन लोगे तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज एक्स, तो एक्स स्क्वायर अगर आपने कॉमन लिया तो इट विल गिव यू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर, क्योंकि आपने एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन लिया है प्रैक्टिकली, बट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज एक्स, तो बाहर आपका एक्स आया, तो इट विल कैंसल एंड यू आर लेफ्ट विद दिस. In the numerator you have 1 minus 1 upon x square, and in denominator you have x plus 1 upon x, and this can be x square. Consider x square plus 1 upon x square. If you add 2 or subtract 2, so this will give you x plus 1 upon x whole square, and this is 2. So x square plus 1 upon x square can be written as x plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2. okay, dx. So now you can make substitution. So put x plus 1 upon x as t. By differentiating we will get 1 minus 1 upon x square dx can be replaced by dt. Now we will get x, this will be dt, and we are left with 1 upon t square root t square minus 2. Okay, and this can be written as integral 1 upon t into square root t square minus root 2 का square dt. Okay, now there is a formula which we can use here, using integral of 1 upon x into square root x square minus a square dx, and that is equals to 1 upon a sec inverse x by a plus c. So if we use this formula here, our left hand side will be equals to, this will be 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2 into sec inverse of modulus of t upon root 2 plus c, and your t is x plus 1 by x upon 2 plus c. So we can write this as sec inverse 2x plus 1, and this is root 2 upon root 2x. Okay, now comparing it with right hand side से अगर आप compare करें तो your fx will be, comparing it with right hand side, we will get our fx is equals to 2x plus 1 upon root 2x. So your option is it will be x square plus 1. This will be x square plus 1 upon root 2x, and this will give you your fourth option. So your option 4 is correct. Now your next question is integral x square minus 1 upon x raised to power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into tan inverse of x plus 1 upon x dx is equals to ln fx plus c. So we are supposed to find out this fx. Now to solve this integral in the left hand side, consider this integral x square minus 1 upon x raised to power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 into tan inverse of x plus 1 by x. Now you can observe that in the denominator there is x plus 1 by x. तो आप न्यूमरेटर में से you can take x square common and it will become 1 minus 1 upon x square, and this is the derivative of x plus 1 by x. अब आप अपने इस बाय क्वाड्रेटिक में से भी एक एक्स स्क्वायर अगर कॉमन निकाल लेते हैं, देन यू आर लेफ्ट विद एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर इंटू tan inverse of x plus 1 by x dx. Now x square will cancel out, and in the numerator there is 1 minus 1 upon x square, and denominator में x square प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 3 को आप 2 प्लस 1 लिख सकते हैं. ओके, एंड दिस कैन बी रिटन एज x प्लस 1 बाई एक्स होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1. सो योर दिस फंक्शन इज x प्लस 1 बाई एक्स होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1. and here it is tan inverse of x plus 1 by x dx. Now do a substitution. tan inverse of x plus 1 by x को आप substitute करो t. Now tan inverse of x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and in turn the derivative of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 upon x square into dx can be replaced by dt. So 1 minus 1 upon x square, this function and dx, the whole thing can be replaced by dt, and your integrand is 1 by t only, and this is log t plus c, and your t is, replace your t by tan inverse of x plus 1 by x. So if you compare this, comparing with right hand side, अगर आप राइट हैंड साइड से कंपेयर करते हैं तो ln fx plus c, your right hand side is ln is equivalent to log e, so your fx will be tan inverse of x plus 1 by x. So your option, which option is correct? Tan inverse of x square plus 1 upon x, you can write it as tan inverse of x square plus 1 upon x. So your option 2 is correct. Your next question is integral log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x square का whole square dx. Now to solve this integral, let your I is integral 1 plus, or it will be log x minus 1 upon 1 plus log x का whole square and the whole square of this. Now we can, first of all we are going to substitute log x as t. So log x को अगर आप t substitute करेंगे तो x will be e raised to power t, and this will imply that dx can be replaced by e raised to power t into dt. Okay, now consider your I. Your I will become t minus 1 upon 1 plus t square whole square into dx is replaced by e raised to power t dt. Now in the numerator t minus 1 whole square can be written as t square plus 1 minus 2t, and in the denominator there is t square plus 1 whole square into e raised to power t dt. Okay, now you can distribute your denominator in the 2. So t square plus 1 upon t square plus 1 whole square is 1 upon t square plus 1, and minus 2t upon t square plus 1 whole square into e raised to power t dt. Okay, now we are going to use a formula, integral of e raised to power x के साथ अगर आपका fx plus the derivative of this function, अगर ऐसा आपका इंटीग्रेंड है तो you can write it as e raised to power x into fx plus c. So using this formula we are going to consider 1 upon t square plus 1 as ft. Let your ft is, function of t is 1 upon t square plus 1. So what is the derivative? f dash t will be, आपका क्या हो जाएगा? अगर आप इसको चेन रूल लगाएंगे तो 1 upon t is minus 1 upon t square and in turn the derivative of t square plus 1 is 2t. So this will be minus 2t upon t square plus 1 whole square. And you can observe here, if this is ft, so this is f dash t. So using this formula, your I will become e raised to power t into ft. Ft is 1 upon t square plus 1 plus c. Okay, and now we are going to replace our t. T was log x. T was log x. So e raised to power t is x, and in the denominator there is log x whole square plus 1 plus c. Now, which option is correct? Your option 1 is correct. Your next question is integral of x into ln x plus square root 1 plus x square whole upon square root 1 plus x square dx. Now consider this as I. Let your I is integral x into ln x plus square root 1 plus x square upon square root 1 plus x square dx. Now first of all you can make a substitution, that put x plus square root 1 plus x square as t. Now this will give you 1 plus 1 upon 2 square root 1 plus x square, and in turn the derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. This dx is equals to dt. Now 2 will cancel out and you will get square root 1 plus x square plus x upon square root 1 plus x square dx is equals to dt. So 1 upon square root 1 plus x square dx can be replaced by dt, and this is t, dt by t. तो 1 upon x square plus 1 स्क्वायर रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर dx को तो आप t से रिप्लेस कर सकते, dt by t से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं, and this is t, so this will become ln t. Now you have to find the value of x also. Now you know that let us start with this square root 1 plus x square. आप x को वहाँ पर शिफ्ट कर लो तो t minus x, and squaring both sides we will get t minus x whole square, or we can write it as t square plus x square minus 2tx. Now x square will cancel out and we will get the value of x. 2tx is equals to t square minus 1, and x will be t square minus 1 upon 2t. So x can be replaced by this, and 1 upon square root 1 plus x square dx can be replaced by dt by t. So here, now replace x by t square minus 1 upon 2t, and this will become ln t, and dx upon square root 1 plus x square can be replaced by dt by t. Okay. Now 1 by 2 can be written outside, and this will give you in the denominator, this is t square, so t square upon t square is 1, and this is 1 upon t square ln t dt. Okay. Now divide it into two integrals, ln t dt, and the second one is 1 upon t square ln t dt. Now we can use by parts. Here you have two functions. Consider this as first and this as second, and here you can consider one as the second function. So this is your first function and this one is your second function. So apply by parts. We will get first function as it is. Integral of second, one का integral is t, minus integral of derivative of first, that is 1 by t, integral of second, that is t dt. Okay, minus here first function as it is, integral of second, integral of 1 by t square is minus 1 by t, minus integral of derivative of first and integral of second dt. Okay, and this will be equals to t into ln t, and this will cancel out and integral of 1 is t only, minus plus 1 upon t into ln t, minus plus 1 upon t square का integral minus 1 upon t, so this will give you plus 1 upon t plus c. ओके, अब आप क्या कर सकते हैं, इनको कंबाइन कर सकते हैं इन दोनों को. सो यू विल गेट योर आई विल बी हाफ ln t आपका कॉमन ले लिया तो t प्लस 1 बाई टी. ओके, और यहां से अगर आप माइनस कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो t माइनस 1 बाई टी. ओके, plus c. Now what is your t? t was x plus square root 1 plus x square. तो 1 by t क्या हो जाएगा आपका, इसको आप x square plus this can be written as square root 1 plus x square minus x. 1 by t can be written as this. Now if you add these two, अगर आप ऐड करेंगे you will get 2 times square root 1 plus x square, and if you subtract these two you will get 2x. Okay, so you use these two functions here. We will get ln t plus this is 2 times square root 1 plus x square, and this is 2x. You have to also replace t here, so 2 will cancel out and you are left with square root 1 plus x square into ln x plus square root 1 plus x square minus x plus c. So if you see your options, square root 1 plus x square, ln x plus square root 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square minus x plus c. So your option 1 is correct. Now your next question is integral square root of sec x minus 1 dx. Now to integrate this function, let your I is integral square root of sec x minus 1 dx. Now you can convert write down sec x as 1 upon cos x, so it will give you 1 minus cos x upon cos x dx. Now you can do one thing, in the square root you can rationalize this where 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x से आप मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, एंड द रिजल्ट इज 1 minus cos x and 1 plus cos x will give you 1 minus cos square x, that is sin square x, and square root of sin square x is sin x, and in denominator you are left with square root of cos x plus cos square x. Okay, and this is a very simple integration. You can make substitution. So put cos x as t. By differentiating, minus sin x dx can be replaced by dt, or we can say that sin x dx can be replaced by minus dt. So your I will become minus sin x dx can be replaced by dt, and your integrand will become 1 upon square root t square plus t. Okay, अब टी स्क्वेयर प्लस टी क्या है आपका क्वाड्रेटिक, एंड 1 अपॉन रूट क्वाड्रेटिक के लिए आपको क्वाड्रेटिक को के परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने हैं. तो टी स्क्वेयर प्लस टी को कंसीडर करो. द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ टी इज 1 एंड 1 का हाफ इज 1/2, उसका स्क्वायर 1/4. 1/4 ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं अगर आप, तो दिस विल बिकम टी प्लस 1/2 होल स्क्वायर, and 1/4 can be written as half ka square. So replace your quadratic with t plus half whole square minus half whole square. Okay, dt. Now there is a formula for 1 upon square root x square minus a square. 1 upon square root x square minus a square dx, and that is log of x plus square root x square minus a square plus c. Now using this formula, our integral will become, I will become minus of log x is t plus half plus square root x square minus a square is square root t square plus t. Okay, plus c, and this can be written as taking half LCM 2t plus 1 plus 2 times t square plus t upon 2. And in the denominator, log 2 can be merged into this constant. So your final answer will be 2t plus 1 plus 2 times log of t square plus t plus c. Now replace t with cos x. You have substituted t as cos x. So 2 times cos x plus 1 plus 2 times square root cos square x plus cos x plus c, and this is your final answer. So which option is correct? Minus of square root 2 cos x plus 1. 2 cos x plus 1. So your option 4 is correct. Your next question is, if 1 upon e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x dx is equals to a upon 842 into tan inverse e raised to power 2x plus c, then you have to find the value of a. Now consider your left hand side, and that is integral 1 upon e raised to power 2x plus e raised to power minus 2x dx. Now we can write e raised to power minus 2x as 1 upon e raised to power 2x dx, and this will give you e raised to power 2x न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा, डिनोमिनेटर का डिनोमिनेटर, and it will give you e raised to power 2x whole square plus 1. Okay, now we can make substitution. Put e raised to power 2x as t. So e raised to power 2x, and in turn the derivative of 2x is 2, dx can be replaced by dt, or we can say that e raised to power x into dx can be replaced by dt by 2. So your left hand side will become dt by 2 1 upon t square plus 1. Okay, and that will give you integral of 1 upon t square plus 1 is tan inverse t plus c. Now replace your t by tan inverse e raised to power x. Now if you compare this with your right hand side, you will get a upon 842. A upon 842 is equals to half. So your a will be 842 divided by 2, that is 421. So your option 4 is correct. Your next question is evaluate integral a plus b sin x upon b plus a sin x whole square dx. Now to evaluate this integral, let I is integral a plus b sin x upon b plus a sin x whole square dx. अब इसको इंटीग्रेट करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, डिनोमिनेटर sin x को tan x में क्रिएट करना है. So in the denominator there is sin x whole square. So you are going to multiply and divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So we will get a cos square x से अगर आप डिवाइड करेंगे it will give you sec square x plus b sin x upon cos square x will give you tan x into sec x upon cos square x से अगर आपने डिवाइड किया है तो इन ब्रैकेट्स you will get b sec x plus a tan x whole square. Okay, now you can make substitution. Put b sec x plus a tan x as t. So you will get the derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, and the derivative of tan x is sec square x, and dx will be dt, and this is your numerator. So your I will become 1 upon t square dt, and that is minus 1 upon t plus c. Now replace your t by b sec x plus a tan x. Plus c. So the required answer is, which option is correct? B sec x plus a tan x. Your option 2 is correct. Your next question is, if integral of sin x plus sin cube x upon cos 2x dx is a cos x plus b ln of modulus root 2 cos x plus 1 upon root 2 cos x minus 1 plus c, then you have to find the value of a raised to power minus 1 plus b raised to power minus 2. Now to solve this integral, consider your left hand side, that is integral of sin x plus sin cube x upon cos 2x dx. Okay, first of all you can take sin x common, and you are left with 1 plus sin square x upon cos 2x dx. Now you know that the sin x is the derivative of cos x और माइनस साइन एक्स इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos x. तो आप अपने पूरे फंक्शन को cos x की फॉर्म में चेंज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई 2 times sin. This is minus sin x. And sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So this is can be written as 2 minus cos square x upon cos 2x can be, there is a formula for cos 2x and that is 2 cos square x minus 1. So replace cos 2x by 2 cos square x minus 1 and this will become minus sin x into cos square x minus 2 upon 2 cos square x minus 1 dx. And here we can substitute cos x as t. So minus sin x dx can be replaced by dt, or we can say that sin x dx and so replace minus sin x dx by dt. So you will get t square minus 2 upon 2t square minus 1 into dt. Okay. Now to integrate this we can multiply and divide by 2. If we multiply and divide by 2, it will become 2t square minus 4 upon 2t square minus 1 dt. And minus 4 in turn can be written as minus 1 minus 3. Okay. So your integrand can be written like this. Now this will become half of integral 2t square minus 1 upon 2t square minus 1 will give you 1 minus 3 upon 2t square minus 1 dt. Okay. And this will be half integral of 1 is t minus 3 by 2 and this integral can be written as root 2t whole square minus 1 ka square dt. And now there is a formula for 1 upon x square minus a square dx and that is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a. Now using this formula your I will become 1 upon 2a is 1 log of root 2t minus 1 upon root 2t plus 1 plus c. रूट 2t को आपने t की तरह कंसीडर किया है तो उसके डेरिवेटिव से आप डिवाइड करेंगे. एंड नाउ रिप्लेस योर t बाय विथ cos x. सो हाफ cos x minus 3 upon 4 root 2 log of or ln of root 2 cos x minus 1 upon root 2 cos x plus 1 plus c. Now if we consider this with right hand side, that is, so your a will be half comparing with right hand side we get a is half and b will be minus 3 by 4 root 2. Now what you are interested in, you have to find the value of a raised to power minus 1 plus b raised to power minus 2. 9 b raised to power minus 2. So a raised to power minus 1, this is half raised to power minus 1 plus 9 times b raised to power minus 2, and this is 2 plus 9 into 4 root 2 by 3 whole square, and this will be 9 multiplied by 32 upon 9. Okay, 32 upon 9. This will cancel out and your answer is 34. So students, if you liked my videos तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ साथ बेल आइकॉन प्रेस कर दें, जिससे मेरे हर अपकमिंग वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच पाए और आप उसका बेनिफिट ले पाएँ. So keep watching my videos. Have a nice day. Goodbye.